How to reset iPhone network. If you are experiencing issues with your Wi-Fi or SIM networks, such as dropped calls, Wi-Fi disruptions, or problems with Bluetooth connections, resetting your iPhone network settings may help. To guide you through the process, we've prepared the step-by-step video tutorial. Let's get started. First, locate the Settings app on your iPhone and tap to open it. In Settings, scroll down and select the General option. Scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap on the Reset option. From the Reset menu, choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and screen time passcode if enabled to continue. Finally, tap on Reset Network Settings once again, and your iPhone will restart to complete the process.
If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to support our growth.